These strawberry roses are the perfect Valentine's Day gift, and you need a really sharp knife in order to cut them. Then place a skewer at the bottom of the strawberry and start cutting at an angle of 45 degrees, then move up to the next level, cutting in between the first cut until you reach the top and you end up with these beautiful roses. Next up, we're going to prepare the appetizer, for which you'll need some oat cakes. Slice a cucumber in half, then horizontally and vertically, and then into small pieces. Lay out the oat cakes and spread some cream cheese on top of them. You can even spread a generous amount. Then place some salmon slices that are thinly sliced on top of the cakes. Place about 3 pieces of cucumber on each one of them and sprinkle some shaved parmesan on top. And for dinner, we're gonna prepare a special recipe. Start by boiling the pasta until al dente and reserve some of the pasta water. Oops! Then chop up some green olives and canned mushrooms. For the sauce, add 200 grams of diced beetroot, 200 grams of feta cheese and 200 grams of Greek yogurt to a blender while seasoning with salt and pepper. Your partner will already be impressed by the color of this sauce, plus that the beetroot increases your blood flow, if you know what I mean. Bleach them for about 30 seconds, then add a bit of sunflower oil to a non-stick pan, the olives, mushrooms and tuna chunks. Then season them up with a teaspoon of curry, coriander and garlic powder. Pour in the pasta water and the sauce. And for the Valentine's Day dessert, we're gonna prepare a simple one. Bake 2 sweet potatoes that weigh about 450 grams for about 25 minutes at 230 Celsius degrees or until soft. While they're baking, melt the chocolate over a bowl of simmering water. Peel the potatoes and add them to a blender alongside the melted chocolate and blend until smooth. Pour in the blended mixture into a baking tin lined with baking paper, and for the cream, melt the chocolate, coconut milk, oat flakes and raisins over a bowl of simmering water and pour over the first layer. Crush some dried raspberries on top and refrigerate, and have a beautiful Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more delicious recipes.